Hey guys, and thanks for joining me. Today we're going to have a look at the new Aussie Special Edition carry case, which features a light grey, bright blue and soft pink colour palette, making it perfectly complementary to the Zakian and Zamazenta Switch Lite. The outside features dual zips, a handy ring tab, flexible carrying handle for easy transport, and a subtle logo so you can tell which side is up. On the inside is a built-in games cartridge holder for 8 of your favourite games. On the flip side, the microfiber material doubles as a screen protector. The base has soft, shock-absorbent padding. It's moulded around your Switch Lite and has cutouts for the triggers and our comfort grip case, which fits perfectly. 2 sturdy elastic straps hold your console firmly in place so it doesn't move about while you're travelling. The Aussie carry case has 2 compartments for easy storage, a larger open top pocket for a power bank, cables, or even your phone and wallet, and a second zip pocket for smaller accessories like spare thumb grips and earphones. And that's the new Special Edition Aussie Switch Lite carry case. Not quite your style? Not to worry. We have a whole range of colours lined up for you guys, including a red and white edition for all you Pokemon fans out there. Thanks for watching. Want to be the first to know about our new products? Then remember to like and subscribe. For enhanced grip and more protection for your gorgeous new console, check out our comfort grip case and tempered glass screen protectors.